For several years, I had caps and crowns and different things, and a lot of them started to fail. I chose implants because I wanted to maintain what I already naturally have. And my family members, they all say that it looks very natural. I can eat anything. I can chew steak, I can eat an apple, I can chew gum. I can do everything like they're my natural teeth. They feel natural, very natural. I absolutely feel that it was worth every dime that I was spent. I've spent more on less, but the results that I received, I would spend it again 10 times over. It was definitely affordable, and I would do it again. I absolutely love my Avamax.